In this video, I'll show you how to upload a YouTube video using your phone. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we're gonna do is open the YouTube app on our phone. Then we're gonna select the plus icon that we're gonna see right here at the bottom of our screen. Here is where you can upload videos, shorts, you can go live, or you can create a new post. So for today's video, since we are gonna be uploading a video, I'm gonna select video. Now go ahead and select the video that you wanna upload and click on next. Once your video is selected, you can edit the title, the description, and the privacy settings. So here we're gonna give our video a title. You can type in the description that pretty much summarizes what you're talking about in your video. Here you can select if you want your video to be public, to be private, or if you want it to be unlisted, meaning that only the people that you give the link to the video to will be able to watch your video. In case you want to schedule your video so it can be posted on a later time, you can select a schedule and pick the time and date where you want to post your video. If you want to add a thumbnail, you will simply tap on this little frame image right here at the top left. And once you're ready, you can just go ahead and select next. It's going to ask you a couple of questions like your audience, and then select upload videos. And now it's going to take a few moments to upload your video, but when it's ready, you can watch it and enjoy. Hope that helps.